Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to buy domain name and host your site on Bluehost. Alright, so if you are new in the tech world, you're just starting off in the web design industry, domain name is a unique address, an online address of your website. It is a unique identifier of any website that you can see on the internet, meaning that no two websites will ever have one domain name. Okay, so Bluehost being one of the best out there when it comes to registering a domain name and buying a hosting online. I say they are the best because I'm using their service, and from the review of other people out there, you can conclude that they are living up to their claims. Alright, so if you want to buy a domain name, two ways you can do it is just to buy a domain name individually or buy domain name and hosting at a time. Buying domain name with hosting together will give you the domain for free. You see, so you will want to buy the domain name and hosting together instead of paying for domain name separately and paying for hosting separately. So how will you do that? I will leave a link for you below this video, and when you click on that link, you will come to this page to bring you to a page like this. Alright, so when you are here, just scroll down a bit and you see this blue button here that says get started. You either click here, or you can choose to scroll down to see the plans. They are the plans of the packages. As you can see here, the basic one is $2.95 per month, and this one is okay for you if you are just building only one website. Alright, the next one is plus. Say for those running multiple sites, is $5.45 per month. Alright, and I can see every one of them comes with free domain for 1 year, so you save some money buying the domain. Okay, so my recommendation is, if you are an agency, you're building a website, a lot of websites, and you are running blogs, you might want to go with this second plan, the plus. Okay, so what you want to do is either you come here and click here, or you simply select from this place. Let's click here to proceed. Let's wait as it loads. Alright, so this is it here. Say your domain will be your website address, just as we have said before. Okay, so it's now asking you to choose a domain name, or you can use an existing domain name that you have bought maybe from Xway. So if you don't have before, this is the right place that you will go to choose your domain name. So let's go ahead and choose a random domain name to test what we are doing. Okay, just enter the name, and the .com is here. .com is the most popular one, so you must want to leave it there, and then you click on next. Well, congratulations, your domain name is available. Alright, so the next thing that you want to do is to fill out your information. Buying domain name and hosting from Bluehost is literally very easy. You don't need a lot of things to do. You don't need a lot of, it's not rocket science. Just fill in your name. This one is optional, you can leave it blank. Your country, your street address, your city where you are living, your postal code, okay, and most importantly your email address. All right, so the package information, account plan, you can see you have here plus the plus package 12 months. The price is 5.45 per a month. You can choose to click on this thing and choose a 2-year plan. By 2 years you are paying 7.5 per month. So you see they gave you some discount because you are registering for 2 years. But for this video we are going for only 1 year. Okay, so you see the primary domain name registration is free and the SSL certificate is free. All right, so these ones are a form of upsell package extras. So you can choose the ones you want and proceed, or if you don't want them you can untick this. You can untick this, untick it if you don't want them. Alright, so you can see in the total you are going to pay now is $65.4. That's just for the hosting. Alright, so that's all for the information. Then you come down here with payment information and fill in your information. This your credit card number goes here, the long number on the front of your card. This is the 3 code at the back of your card. You choose the expiring date and so on. Or better still, you can choose to click on more payment option if you want to go with PayPal. Alright, so after doing that, the next thing that you will want to do is come down to this place and click on submit. Once you click on submit, if the payment went through, there is no network issues, Bluehost will take you straight to your dashboard. Okay, so that's why I say that it is really simple to purchase a domain name and hosting from Bluehost. Alright, I'm not going to be clicking the submit button because, as you can see, we choose a random domain name, so I'm not going to pay for this domain name. Just want to show you guys how to go about it. Okay, if you have any question, please you can use the comment section. You can use the comment section and ask any of your questions. I will answer you right away. Alright, so that is how you buy and host your site on Bluehost. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do other things, set up your site, WordPress site, install your application on Bluehost. Alright, please do well to subscribe to this channel, hit notification button, and share this video to your family and friends. Thank you for watching.